recording right now. Anyway, so say you have a problem like this and you gotta solve for A, and this is kind of a problem that implies a lot of algebra, and it's kind of hard to do thinking on your own. But once you realize, once you see how to do it, you realize how much algebra is just it's really implicated here. So we have A on both sides of an equation, and we're trying to solve for A. So why can't we solve for A right now? Because it looks like we can, but we can't because we have an A right here also. If you don't have an A on only one side, you're not solving for A. You need the A on one side. So anyway, we have a fraction right here. And what's the best way to get rid of a fraction when you have a variable on one side? You can multiply by the denominator, because this is a division problem, and then the opposite of division is multiplication. So multiply by c, and the c's would cancel, so you would get negative 4a plus b is equal to ac, because we are multiplying both sides, because that's algebra. You multiply one side and then the other side. It's a golden rule. You need to know that you always multiply both sides. Whenever you do, you don't always multiply, but you need to just know that what you do to one side, you do to the other. Alright, so now we have negative 4a plus b is equal to ac. So just go ahead and distribute, just because it makes it easier. You don't need to, but minus 4b. And the question's right here, so we're going to see if I do it right. So equals AC. So anyway, what you want to do at this point is bring the A over. So negative 4b is equal to, add A to both sides, and negative 4b is equal to 4a plus AC. Alright. So now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and factor. And factor is kind of like the anti-distributive property. It's like reverse anti-distributive. Because if you see what I did right here, I just distributed 4 to A and B. Now what if I wanted to take 4 from A and B? Well, then I would just get this right here. If somebody asked me to factor from here, I could take a negative 4 out and then just get A plus B. So I hope that makes sense, but if it doesn't, you might want to look up some more videos for that. But anyway, negative 4b is equal to a, or 4, wait no, a, yeah, sorry, a4 plus c, and all positive. So anyway, we got a all by itself, except we have a 4 plus c right next to it. So how do we get it back to the other side? We can, what we can do is divide both sides by 4 plus c, because that way 4 plus c will cancel on this side, and then it'll just be negative 4b over 4 plus c on this side. So let's try it. Negative 4b over 4 plus c, or you could write c plus 4, whichever one you want to write, and these cancel. So all we have left is an A. And we're going to go ahead and type in this, negative 4b over c plus, oops, I just hit the wrong button, but c plus 5, and just preview, make sure everything looks good. Let me check my notepad. Negative 4b, c plus 5 is equal, oops, c plus 4. C plus 4. And we'll just go ahead and type that in. There we go. And that's how you do those. Thanks for watching. See you guys.